I'll show you the best way to clean your LCD. Is if it's your TV screen, laptop screens, monitors, and other things. We will need this handboss cleaning suit or cleaning kit. I've used it on several occasions and it came out perfectly fine for either laptop screens, TVs, monitors. So in this kit we have the cleaning spray, and this brush, and then microfiber cloth here. As you can see, there's a lot of dirt on this particular screen monitor that I have. Before we start, you need a white cloth, whatever, if it's a tissue, and then you clean off the dirt on it. Clean on the dirt on it. The cloth is here, the brush, and then the liquid itself. So from the instructions here, you spray the cleaning liquid on the microfiber dust-free cloth. So because I've not used it before, this microfiber cloth is clean. If you use it continuously and you want to use it again, you have to wash this cloth before using it, or else you transfer the old dust to the new LCD screen that you are cleaning. So this is what we're gonna do. Open the kit, and then you spray it here, and then come here, start to clean it. See, there was a bad dirt here. See all that dirt that I got. Now you turn it to a different side. Turn the microfiber cloth to a different side, and then you can either spray it on the cloth so far. I've used this handboss cleaner, LCD cleaner, and it's the best I've used so far. I don't know if I'll come across any other ones. If I come across any other ones, I'll make a video on that as well. It's been very good. So we got a lot of dirt from the monitor because I've been cleaning it a while, and you can see. Let me try and focus. Okay, there is no dirt. It's dirt free now. Dirt free. And that's how to clean your LCD screen, monitor, laptop screen, TV, and other LCDs or screens that you currently have. This brush too comes in handy if you are using it on a laptop. You can use it on a keyboard